Patients are having trouble getting appointments with psychologists. The American Psychological Association found that more than half of the psychologists they surveyed said their patients' symptoms were more severe than in previous years, and nearly 40% said they also had more patients. Elizabeth Shores reports on the challenges that creates.
One of the APA's biggest concerns is that the worsening of patients' symptoms combined with the patient increase could lead to longer wait times for people hoping to see a psychologist. Nearly 60% of the people surveyed said they didn't have openings available for new patients. Dr. Alexandra Kohlhase, a psychologist at Essentia Health, says she's seen more severe symptoms in patients along with an increase in appointments.
One of the things that has become much more prevalent is suicidality in period, but especially in young people, right? Like we're hearing that happening more and more with kids and teenagers. I think that is, there's a huge kind of like compassion fatigue element to that, where that can be hard to leave at work.
Dr. Kohlhase says the financial strain of the pandemic also likely kept students who wanted to become psychologists from pursuing that career.
The biggest problem is that people might lose motivation. When they're dealing with depression, they might have a day where they feel like, okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to schedule an appointment. They really have probably been procrastinating for a while, and now they want to strike while the iron's hot, but they find out that it's going to be a couple of months, and that might lose momentum.
Woolsey says one of the best things patients can do is to be persistent about getting an appointment. She says nearly every day she has a patient cancel an appointment, and those spots can be filled. In Bismarck, I'm Elizabeth Shores, reporting for Your News Leader.
She says finding alternative mental health services like counseling can be a viable option. She says many counselors have years of experience and can provide quality care.